So you by the way, you broke the news yesterday, Yo-Yo.
Yes.
Live on our show. Yo-Yo breaking. We are a news show, Yo-Yo.
We are a news show.
We are. Yo-Yo breaking the immigration news yesterday that as I was announcing that President Biden is going to end Title 42 to allow people who are on the Mexican side of the border to come to the United States, apply for asylum, be allowed in if they pass a credible fear interview, and then go see an immigration judge shortly thereafter for an asylum hearing. If they pass, they're granted. If they're denied, then obviously they would get sent home and deported. And for the last 3+ years since, is it 3+ years with COVID? 2.5 years.
Yep.
Since COVID started with that rotten pumpkin president we used to have.
Right. And
he used the COVID pandemic to prevent anyone from applying for asylum on the southern border. And what did I say, Yo-Yo, before? And Yo-Yo, by the way, he said yesterday, oh, it looks like some Republican states where there's a majority of Republican voters and a Republican governor and Republican state attorney are going to sue the Biden administration so they can continue Title 42.
Right.
And I said what? I said, well, it all depends on whether Biden followed the rules or not.
Right.
If we've learned anything on Bradshaw Live, all these executive orders are lawful as long as you follow the rules.
Right.
If you don't follow the rules, that's when it becomes unlawful and gets overturned. It's the same thing over and over and over. So what do I got in my cards, Yo-Yo?
All right, what happened?
It says 3 Republican-led states are suing the Biden administration to stop it from ending the Trump-era pandemic restrictions that effectively block migrants from entering the United States and applying for asylum. The plaintiffs in all 3 cases, and I'm quoting from their news release, claims the Biden administration's plans to roll back the policy are arbitrary and capricious because the government did not follow the rules required to make the change, right from their press release.
Wow.
What'd I tell you?
So they didn't follow?
I don't know. That's what they claim.
Oh, that's what they claim.
I am not an executive order expert.
I would be surprised if he made that same mistake.
I am not an executive order expert. But I would think that if you're going to be the president, you better get somebody in there to be your right-hand man or woman who knows how to make an executive order and follow the rules.
Yeah.
There's got to be somebody out there that knows how to do it. As we discussed yesterday, Biden was planning on increasing immigration officers at the border. DHS, Department of Homeland Security, was going to, among other measures, prepare temporary facilities to house individuals who are applying for asylum, deploying hundreds of immigration officers to assist in the interviews, and leveraging other partnerships with other federal agencies. And it has set up a Southwest Border Coordination Center at its headquarters to coordinate across multiple agencies. The way the Republicans make it out is if literally there's a gate, Biden opened the gate and says, welcome, come on in.
Right.
It's kind of not how it works. Okay? How it works is you have to go to a border crossing. You have to apply, make an affirmative application for asylum, pass a credible asylum interview, that you are telling a credible story, and that there is, your story reaches the level of somebody who is part of a group that is being persecuted because of race, religion, political identity, or whatever it may be, sexual orientation. And then if you pass that credible fear interview, then you get to see an immigration judge where there's an actual trial to determine whether or not you can apply for asylum. So it's not a situation where, oh, here we open up a gate and people are just flooding in. But that's what you would see on Fox News. Even last week, the Department of Homeland Security began offering COVID-19 vaccines to migrants encountered at the U.S.-Mexico border, and it's expected to grow that program over the next few weeks and months. But I would bet you Title 42 is going to be in place at least for the next few months, until the case winds its way up to the Supreme Court, who will make a determination whether or not Biden followed the rules or not.
Okay.
That would be my guess. We'll see. So far, there has been no stay of the executive order. Stay means halting the change in the program. But we'll see what a judge has to say.
All right.
Yo-Yo breaking the news yesterday.
Yeah, it feels good, guys.
Feels good to break that news, right?
I mean, you know, that's what I'm here for, guys.
All right. Yo-Yo, our beat reporter here at Bradshaw Live. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.